Hello and welcome to the Wattle Stitch. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, we will chain in multiples of 3, then add 2. Then add 1 more for your foundation chain. For row 1, skip 2 chains. This does count as your first single crochet. Then place a single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the next chain. Skip 2 chains and then repeat down the row. You will place a single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch, then skip 2 and repeat. You will place 1 single crochet into the last chain. For row 2, we will chain 1 and turn. This does count as your first single crochet. Skip the first single crochet and skip the first double crochet, and into the chain space you will place a single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. You will repeat this down the row. Into each chain 1 space you will place a single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. When you get to the last stitch, you will place 1 single crochet in the turning chain, making sure to work into the last chain before you get to that stitch. Repeat row 2 until the desired length, then fasten off and weave in your tails.